Hello everyone, Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about the topic similarity. So let's look what we are going to learn in this topic. So we'll be discussing about similarity, similar triangles, solving problems on the same, and how the area and volume of similar figures are related. Okay. Now we have seen previously that two figures are congruent if they are identical in every respect apart from the position. So what is congruency? Means when there are two shapes and the shapes exactly overlap each other, so we can say that the shapes are congruent. Now, in this topic, we will discuss about similarity, which is closely related to the topic. It deals with the figures that differ in size but have the same proportion. Means the shapes look similar, but the size is different. Okay. What is similarity? Two figures are similar if one is enlargement of the other, regardlessly of their orientation. So let's understand this more detail. So properties of the similar shapes and figures. If two figures are similar, then the corresponding side, this is very important over here, are in proportion. This means that the length of the sides will be increased or decreased by the same ratio from one figure to the next. This ratio is known as scale factor of enlargement. Now your enlargement can be more than 1, less than 1 or equals to 1. So when your enlargement is more than 1, so the next figure is bigger than the previous one. When your enlargement scale factor is less than 1, so it's smaller than the original figure. And when the enlargement, that is enlargement factor, is equals to 1, it's exactly the same. So we can say these two are congruent. Okay, let's understand this by an example. Okay, are they similar? Just try to figure it out. Look at the shapes, look at the size of the shapes. Are they in the same proportion? Try it out. Okay, to help you out, I will remove the pics. Now you can easily calculate the number of squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say AD is 6 units. Now similarly, I will calculate because the corresponding side of AD is PS. So I will calculate the length of PS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So AD was 6 units and PS is 9 units. So you can calculate the ratio. Either you can do 6 by 9 or you can do 9 by 6. Let's do it for AB. So AB is around 8 units, and what is the length of PQ? PQ is around 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So from 8 units to 12 units. Now this is from 6 to 9, this is 8 to 12. Now let's check the ratio. PQ over AB, that is PQ, corresponding side is AB, that is 12 over 8. What is the scale factor? 1.5. Let's look for PS, just a minute. Yeah. Now let's look for PS and AD. So this is PS, corresponding side of PS is AD. So PS is 9, AD is 6, scale factor is 1.5. So we can see this two looks same and the scale factor is also the same. So these two are similar. Okay. Now let's look another example. Are they similar? The same logic, calculate the proportion. If they are in the same proportion, means corresponding sides are in the same proportion, we can say the objects are similar. But if they are not in the same proportion, we can say that these two are not similar. Now if you observe carefully, PQ over AB, that is 12 by 9, and PS over AD, that is 1.5 scale factors. So both the scale factors are different over here, means they are not in the same proportion. So we can say these two shapes are not similar. Okay. Okay, now are they similar? Okay, let me place it. Okay, yeah. Now are they similar? The idea and the logic remain same. You can take any points, any proportion in the shape, and that proportion should be increased by the same proportion, means that segment should be increased by the same proportion. Now in this you can calculate and find out the ratio. So ratio, if you see, both the ratios are same. Now also we'll observe what's the relation between the angles. Okay. Now if you see, angles are also same. So in similar figures, angles are same and sides are in proportion. Okay. Now, are they similar? By observation also you can say these two are not looking same, and if you see, the angles are also different and the sides are not in the proportion. Now if I take any segment, let's suppose in this any segment, see, the angle is also different and the side lines are also different, so these are not similar. Now the last one, are they similar? See, if you see, the orientation is not a issue. Orientation can be anything. Just you have to see if they are in the same proportion. See, in this also we have taken a same points, mark the same 3 points and observe the angle. Angle is also same. Now if you observe the frame is also same angle, and the scale factor of the frame is also same, and the scale factor what we have marked in the image is also same. So we can say these two images are similar. Okay, now what we can conclude, what we have understand and discussed, if two shapes are similar, the corresponding sides are in proportion and the angles of the corresponding angles are also equal. Means the important thing to note over here is angle sizes do not change under enlargements. It's only the proportion of the sides that changes. Okay, I hope you are clear with this idea. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks.